Getting a deep latch can make breastfeeding more comfortable for you and help your baby transfer milk effectively. If you're struggling with a shallow latch, don't worry. With a few simple positioning techniques, you and your baby can get better at it with practice. Start by getting comfortable. Bring your baby close to your body, with their head, shoulders, and hips in a straight line. Your baby's whole body should face you, rather than having their head turned toward the breast. Keeping your baby close makes it easier for them to latch deeply. Next, line your baby's nose up with your nipple, not their mouth. Gently brush your nipple across your baby's upper lip or lower lip and wait for them to open their mouth very wide. You want a big, wide open mouth, almost like a yawn. When your baby opens wide, quickly bring your baby toward your breast. Avoid leaning forward and pushing your breast into your baby's mouth. Instead, bring your baby to you, keeping their chin close to the breast. For a deeper latch, aim your nipple toward the roof of your baby's mouth. Your baby should take in a good amount of breast tissue, not just the nipple. Usually, you'll see a little more of the areola above the baby's upper lip than below the lower lip. Once your baby is latched, look for signs that the latch is working well. Their lips should be turned outward, their chin should touch your breast, and you should see slow, deep, rhythmic sucking. You may also hear regular swallowing. A good latch should become comfortable after the first few sucks. If you experience ongoing pain, clicking sounds, puckered cheeks, or your baby keeps slipping off the breast, gently break the suction with a clean finger and try again. Remember, breastfeeding is a learned skill for both you and your baby. You do not have to get the perfect latch every time immediately. If you're experiencing persistent pain, nipple damage, or concerns about your baby getting enough milk, reach out to your pediatrician or a qualified lactation professional for personalized support. For more practical breastfeeding and pumping tips for new moms, you're watching Pump with Thilly. Keep practicing, be patient with yourself, and remember that you and your baby are learning together.